jackals are all running away. Maybe the cheetahs.
Yeah, this one is a young jackal. The big ones, they are skittish.
But the jackals are running away. Maybe the cheetahs coming back.
They could be looking exactly where the cheetah could be coming if they see it.
Because they're all running to the right.
They're just trying to get maybe a better
approach.
The approach, yeah, because we are very close here.
Yeah, they're coming back now.
As you see, like even now, technically we are off the road, but you can see we found other vehicles here. Tomorrow they can call me that we were doing off-road.
I wanted to ask you that, Lazarus. So there's generally no off-roading in the reserve?
In the reserve, but here, because it's the property of one of the lodge, and that lodge says no, you can drive.
They give
up
permission.
to there. Yes, that's where maybe we'll have a leg to stand on. But the way I drove up to here, it might give, because all these cars go. Now they have eaten.
There's a baby one, eh?
You hear the baboons.
The baby jackal.
Where's the baby jackal?
No, it's just gone.
Oh, he's got some intestines. Did you see him running off?
Oh, he got his morning sausage.
Now he got stuck. He's getting stuck with it.
So the others on watch?
No, he's coming to steal off his mate now. Cheeky one. So the baboon calling it, would that be the cheetah?
No, they're just called.
It's a Michu.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's getting the stomach now.
Der Darm war da schon, nein, ein Stück raus.
Der Darm
das,
ist
was er
A baboon.
That's a zebra.
Oh, is that zebra? Oh, that's a lake caller. That dude's dead already.
Do you think
You
so?
can see the big one. You see, it's a little bit scared, the big one. You see, it's going back.
Look at the one that's just put the ears to the side.
Yeah. That's the showing the. Just.
So the one in front must be dominant, no? The one is just
because he's
chewing.
shitting.
Shit. Oh shit! You as well.
Some space.
Why do you shit on your plate, dude?
I see the other one is saying, "No, I'm not here to fight."
So the one in the back is definitely submissive.
Yeah.
We actually have a
He's to wait in a
jackal
queue.
blanket at my mom's house that might quite.
I don't think they know that. Yeah, because what happens is, they actually normally